but in terms of the government reacting to it or shaping it and seeking to direct it, the administration has been quite cautious, in part because of the preoccupation with internal problems, in part because of uncertainty about how it could affect things if it got too engaged, and in part because of the speed with which initially things happened. I've been a critic myself of the approach. I have favored in the debate and discussion a much more engaged and proactive approach of shaping to the extent one can. But I'm aware of the challenges. It's one thing when you know, lots of groups, for example, spontaneously or together cause a change to occur. But for the next phase, which we have all heard of, establishing a democratic, liberal state, the requirements of causing a revolution and the requirements of then establishing a liberal democracy are very different.